Mike, what do you have to say?
Oh, I say let's get this job done so your dad's happy.
I agree. And so the project continues in the grain cart, getting this job finished up so we can shell corn tomorrow. Well, nothing's easy when you're a farmer, and today's no exception. We're gonna go out, try to shell some corn tonight. We got some equipment moved around, and the truck wouldn't start, and all this fun stuff. So now we got things lined up. I'm in the grain cart, and we're gonna go try to shell some corn. Down the road we go, over the river and through, well, no, just out on the hill. It's a little bit dark out tonight. Field lights on the road. Is anybody else's least favorite time waiting for the combine to open up the field? Everybody's favorite time of year.
For a farm.
Well, I just rode along in the combine for a little bit, and it's making serious corn for on hill ground. Over 200 bushel the acre, about 22% moisture. I'm excited. Making really good corn. Sitting in a cornfield, trying to find the combine. Oh, there it is. Truckload of corn. Another day, another dollar. Got a bunch of jobs getting that back truck's full, this truck's empty, but it's in the way, so I gotta move it. I gotta get that sprayer put away, so that's out of the way. And then I gotta get some wheat seed out of this trailer for a customer. It's just a bustling morning this morning. Foggy one too. Farming, dumping. I suppose it's time to get today rolling. Got some corn to shell. Already dumped the cart in there, so good to go. Barley keeps looking better and better. Headed down to the elevator right now with the pickup truck. I got a sample of corn from that field there. Before we just shell a whole bunch, I just want to make sure that it's not too wet or wetter than we want, and we want to use the official moisture checker down at the scale to make sure of it, since that's where we're going with it. So gotta hustle down there and see what we can do. We've been shelling for, well, a few hours now, and this corn is just running awesome. It's probably averaging close to 200 bushels to the acre, which for hill ground around here, I mean, I'm really pleased with it. So I'm excited. We've already got almost 2 truckloads shelled today, which doesn't seem like a lot, but it is because we've only shelled 4 acres. So it's going well. It's going very well. Going back and forth. Full again. Waiting for someone to need me.
V97X WVRT Mill Hall, WVRC Mount Carmel, an iHeart radio station. Message and data rates may apply.
Shelling. Dumping grain on absolutely gorgeous night. Alright, so I'm just taking the grain cart back over to the shed. Do that so you can see me a little better. We got about 22 acres of corn shelled today, and it was all running close to or north of 200 bushel of the acre. With 2 trucks and a grain cart, I was just running trucks all day, just keeping the combine moving. So I'm pretty pleased with that outcome. I haven't added up the total bushels yet for the acres, but it's looking pretty promising. Field lights again.